Hello, everybody. Thank you. And we are excited for all of you to join us as we talk about and share our workshop experience with you. And the theme of our workshop series is going to be exploring the truth about happy couples. I am Dr. Kavita Ajmere. I'm a psychologist. I specialize in DBT as well as sex and couples. I work with a variety of couples, and it looks different for all sorts of couples. Maybe sometimes some people are also thruples. Most of my background is and training is through the Integrative Sex Therapy Institute, which is where I met my lovely co-host, Malia Scott.
Hi, so excited to be here, Kavita. So we are doing this pre-recorded workshop series for you. My name is Malia Scott. I live in Texas. I see clients in Texas and Colorado, specialize in relationship and sex therapy and I work with individuals and couples, and I also offer intensives. My approach is holistic and integrative from what we've learned from the Integrative Sex Therapy Institute. So I incorporate attachment, erotic blueprints, pull from Esther Perel, Imago, Gottman Pact IFS, and then really kind of throw in some neurobiological work, some neuroscience, lots of integrative tools. There's not one thing to fit all things. So we appreciate the integrative lens. And this workshop is going to incorporate several different modalities that incorporate couples and sex therapy work and education.
We are excited to bring this workshop to you at a very economical and affordable cost. It is our deep, deep thought that everybody deserves to be in happy and healthy, fulfilling relationships. And we want to make this affordable so everyone from all over can tune in and live a healthier and happier life.
Yes. So that said, click on the link in the description box below, and that will send you to where you can find our course online. And once you take it, if you like it, please feel free to share with your friends and your family because we are on a mission to make this inclusive work for couples all over the country. So we look forward to diving in with you, and we will see you there.